Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 9, leçon F. And in this lesson, we'll discover together 108 adjectives. Okay, so the list will be long, but still they are quite useful. So get ready. We're starting right now. Fâché. Okay, so remember that here, even if you've got this accent circonflexe on the top of A, well, technically it doesn't really change the pronunciation. Fâché. Fâcheux. So final X not pronounced, and then you get your combination of U, E. Fâcheux. Endormi. Remember, E-N, en. Endormi. Attractif. Réveillé. Okay, I-double-L-Y. Réveillé. Horrible. Okay, first letter is H, but then we don't pronounce H, so you don't pronounce it. And the first thing you hear is O. Horrible. Meilleur. Okay, same thing here. I-double-L-Y. Meilleur. Mieux. Final X not pronounced. Grand. Final D not pronounced. Ennuyé. Okay, so first en, then nuit, then yé. Ennuyé. Ennuyeux. Okay, final X not pronounced, and then the same concept. Ennuyeux. Ennuyeux. Courageux. Final X not pronounced, and then you've got this U, E, and G plus E. After that it's je, so je, okay? Courageux. Courageux. Génial. Calme. So don't insist on the final E. Calme. Joyeux. Final X not pronounced, and then joyeux. Okay? Joyeux. Joyeux. Nuageux. Final X not pronounced, and then G-E-U, je. Nuageux. Correct. Dangereux. Okay, so final X not pronounced, and then don't really pronounce this here. Dangereux. 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 Décidé. Malhonnête. Okay, remember H doesn't exist, so malhonnête. Don't insist on the final E. Malhonnête. And here you get E accent circonflexe, so you pronounce it like E. Malhonnête. Désorganisé. Affreux. Final X not pronounced. And then you get this freux. Freux. Affreux. Ennuyeux. Okay, final X not pronounced, and then ennuyeux. Ennuyeux. Facile. Excellent. Okay, you've got double L here, and then it will open the sound of your E here, and it will be E. Excellent. Excellent. Excité. Passionnant. Okay, here you pronounce the double S because you've got a vowel, so it's really a strong one. Passionnant. Final T not pronounced, and then here you get this en sound. Passionnant. Cher. Blond. Final D not pronounced. Célèbre. Okay, first you've got this E, then here you get the E, so célèbre. Final E not really pronounced. rapide, favori, final, bien. Okay, so remember, when you get this combination of I, E, N, you get the sound yin, yin, okay, and then B. Bien. En forme. Brumeux. Okay, final X not pronounced, so you get this E and then U. Brumeux. Brumeux. Free. Final T not pronounced. Free. Amical. Effrayé. Okay, remember, double F, so you open the E, so effrayé. And here you get this frayé, effrayé. Effrayant. Final T not pronounced. Effrayant. Amusant. Final T not pronounced. You've got only one S here between the vowels, so it's really this Z sound. Amusant. Amusant. Plus loin. Beau. Okay, so remember we've got this strange combination of vowels. A, U, so 3 vowels, but then phonetically it's only O. Okay, so beau. Griller. Okay, at the end you've got this E, and then remember double L after E. Y. Griller. Griller. Beau. One more time. Dur. Travailleur. Okay, remember double L, y, and then E-U-R, heure. Travailleur. Travailleur. Saint. Okay, combination of A, I, N, phonetically will give you this un pronunciation. Saint. Lourd. Final D not pronounced. Honnête. Chaud. Final D not pronounced, and then when you combine this C and H, you get the sh sound. A and U, O. Chaud. Important. Final T not pronounced. Intelligent. Final T not pronounced. Intéressé. Intéressant. Final T not pronounced. Gentil. So it's a strange one because here this final L is not pronounced. Okay? Gentil. Gentil. Tard. Final D not pronounced. Paresseux. Final X not pronounced. Cuire. Seul. Joli. Chanceux. Final X not pronounced. And then remember, C, E, U will give you this se sound. Chanceux. Chanceux. Fou. Combination of O and U. Ou. Fou. D'âge mûr. Misérable. Okay, don't insist on the final here. You get this bl sound at the end. Okay, misé, et because you've got this accent aigu, rable, misérable. Nécessaire. Don't insist on the final nécessaire. Nerveux. Final X not pronounced. Nouveau. Remember, combination of E, A, and U together, it's O. So you get nouveau. Okay? Agréable. don't insist on the final E, bl, agréable, agréable. Normal, ordinaire, don't insist on the final E, ordinaire. Organisé, E accent aigu, et organisé. Obèse, remember, E accent grave, est, obèse. Don't insist on the final E. Parfait, final T not pronounced, parfait, parfait. Pauvre, A-U together will produce this O sound, pauvre. Populaire, populaire. Don't insist on the final E, populaire. Rapide, so same thing for final E, don't insist on it, just pronounce this D, rapide. Silencieux, final X not pronounced, okay? This part here will be pronounced like cieux, okay? Then you get silencieux, silencieux. Prêt, final T not pronounced, E accent circonflexe like that phonetically gives you the E sound, prêt. Détendu, E accent aigu, et, and then EN, en, détendu. Riche, final E not really pronounced, so sh is the last sound, riche. Malpoli, sûr, accent circonflexe on the top of U, sûr. Court, final T not pronounced, court. Remember, when you combine this O and U together, you get the sound OU, court. Similaire, final E not pronounced, similaire. Petit, okay, remember to pronounce this E like a petit, final T not pronounced, petit. Réussi, okay, first you get this E, then U and double S, so really strong S and E. Réussi, réussi. Ensoleillé, remember double L after E, ensoleillé. Sûr. Talentueux, final X not pronounced, then you get this E-U together, E, then T-U, tueux, talentueux, talentueux. Terrible. Terrifié. Fatigué. Okay, remember when you combine this G, U and E, you will get the G, okay? But in that case, you get the accent, so it's G, all right? Fatigué. Fatigué. Fatigant. Okay, remember when you get G and A, you don't need to put the U between, because when you combine these two letters, you get the sound G, G. So ga, okay? In that case, you've got A N, so it's gant. Final T not pronounced. Fatigant. Fatigant. Moche. Don't insist on the final E, then you get the last sound is sh. Moche. Antipathique. So remember, this H doesn't exist phonetically, so antipathique. Okay, final E not pronounced. Antipathique. Malheureux. H doesn't exist, okay, so you get mal, heureux. Final X not pronounced. Malheureux. Malsain. A-I-N together, it's a nasal and it's un. Malsain. Méchant. final T not pronounced, then CH, ch, chant, méchant. Inhabituel. Utile. Chaud, final D not pronounced. Venteux, final X not pronounced, then EN, en, venteux. Pire, final E not pronounced, so R at the end, pire. Faux, okay, final X not pronounced, then you get this AU together, O, faux. Jeune, final E not pronounced, but then EU together, jeune, jeune. And that's it for this first list of adjective. There was a mistake. I didn't want to stop because I was continuing. But there is one word in the list that is not, of course, an adjective, and it was leather. Cuir, okay, so probably you did correct that on your own, but then I didn't want to stop because I was in a good mood. Okay, if you want more videos, youtube.com/imagier, and then the website is here, www.imagier.net. Have a great day. Bye-bye.